Greetings. Happy April 15th. Oh, that's my birthday. Yes, indeedy. 59 years old today. 59. Can't believe it. And we had about 10 or so inches of snow last night. What a beautiful morning it is, though. Oh, my thing's not working quite right. There it goes. Sunrise coming up. Life is good, except for one thing. It was really blowing last night. And pigs got spooked, I guess. And this doesn't happen very often, but I don't see them. You see these guys. Puppies. I see puppies. But I don't see pigs. They must have all gotten out and gone feral. I'm looking out over this field and I don't see any pigs out here. That's a sunrise for you. Supposed to be some pigs out here. Oh, there you are. Where are you hiding from? Good morning. Sleeping in a snowbank like that. Oh, and here's the rest of them. There's 12 of them up here, out here, and I already see some fresh tracks, so. Everybody okay? Hey! Hey! Room service. Hey! Is everybody alright? Leave us alone. Unless you got food, go away. Well, I guess I couldn't see them from the house, but kind of knew they were out here. This is what they do. They have, right directly over there, over that hill, there's a house for them to get under. But nope. This is how the Mangalitsa does it. At least ours. Oh, and look who's here to see me. It's Claire. Hi, girl. Let me back up so I can see your pretty face. Yeah, you got a pretty face, don't you? All right. And who's this coming to see us? Oh, this is Eli. Makes it kind of hard to get around, doesn't it, boy? Well, I tell you what, I don't remember the last time there was a snow day on April 15th. And it's supposed to be in the 50s today. So, this will not be here very long. All right, well, I just thought I'd show you how it begins here on April 15th, 2019. Born in 1960, so it's easy to calculate. 59. 2020, I'll be 60. My life has just begun. Anyone can farm.